I'm going out on a date tonight, and no, my mother doesn't know about it. I am very much inspired by the space angel theme, and that's what I aspire to look like today. I will show you guys the entire process of me getting ready. Also, I have to be ready by like 2 hours from now, so I have to make this really quick. I already took a bath, trimmed my nails, washed my hair and dried my hair, so I will just start with the skin prep. By the way guys, have you seen my Hello Kitty pants? They are so cute. They're cute, so I had to show them off. So first, I'm using a Laneige toner. Don't tease me for the pronunciation, okay? Skin prep is very important, guys. I realized it recently. The key to getting a good makeup look is prepping your skin beforehand. If your makeup doesn't look like the girls on the internet, it's probably because you don't prep your skin before you do your makeup. You don't even have to do too much. A little bit of toner is good enough. But since I have been neglecting my skincare for a long time, today I'm going to use a mask too. Mask. Oh, my accent. This is my first time using a Etude mask. Hope it doesn't give me an allergy or something. On the topic of allergies, recently I found out that I might have a shellfish allergy, and I feel so sad after finding out, because I have never tried seafood boil in my entire life because it's not available in my area, but I so badly want to try it. I have eaten fried or barbecued seafood before, but I never reacted to it. But recently my mother gave me fried shrimps with rice and I had an allergic reaction to it. I think it happens when I eat too much of it. I don't know. I'll have to eat it again to find out. This is it for the skin prep, and next I am going to do my hair. I don't want to do anything crazy for my hair, just a simple hairdo. I had to cut off a portion of my hair, like it used to be this long, and I had to cut it off because of how dry and damaged my hair was. I think I know why, because I have been consistently dyeing my hair, even highlighting it, and I never take care of it, never oil it, and this is my punishment. It went from this to this. But I have started taking care of my hair recently. I learned my lesson, and I have also lessened the amount of heat work I do on my hair. I think I'm going to use a little bit of straightener today because my bangs are very unmanageable today. So my hair care will be very simple. I'll use this daily serum that I use. Then I'll use this spray. Then I'm going to use a teeny tiny dot of baby oil, just a little bit, to control my frizz and give my hair a little bit of shine. Just a little bit. What the hell? My straightener stopped working. Seriously? Just for today, we are going to ignore my hair because this is the best I could do without the straightener, and my bangs are really unmanageable today, so please excuse my hair. I just realized that if I had to show you guys my entire makeup routine, this video is going to be so long. I'll do this. I'll post the makeup video separately next week. Right now in this video, I will just show you guys the process, and the entire product details and the techniques I use will be shown in the other video that I'll post next week. I'll post it as soon as possible, I promise. My makeup is inspired by the angelic makeup, but it is very beginner friendly. Anyone can do this. Honestly, I consider myself a beginner too lately. I have been trying so many different makeup looks. That's why in every single video that I post here on YouTube, you'll see me with a different makeup look. I'm just trying to see what makeup suits me better. But mostly I definitely have a thing for makeup looks that has glitter or something shiny. I'm getting late, so yeah, okay, quickly tell me which top I should wear. I plan on this skirt So what do you think will go well with this? The blue one or the white one? I also pick these ties. They have polka dots on them, and if I pick the blue one, I think it will be too much of polka dots. So yeah, those are my shorts that I'll wear underneath the skirt. Yeah, let's go for the white top. So I added on this mesh shrug top because I was feeling a little exposed. I don't know why, but I just don't like showing my arms for some reason. And this looks good, and this is my final outfit. Okay, I'm getting really late, so let's go pack my bag. So I'll be carrying this cute bag from Savannah. I got this bow as a gift. These pins are gifts, and this Miku charm I bought from a nearby store, and this Hello Kitty bag charm is also a gift. So I'll be carrying all this. This is my eyeglasses, my hanky, and this Barbie bag that I featured in my What's in My Bag video. And then this is the Etude lip stain or lipstick, whatever. And this is a hair tie. It's a mirror. It changes its eyes. Look at it, how cute. And I'll carry perfume, a comb, Innisfree powder in case I sweat. This is a key to my house, obviously. And this is a Muji and this is a Muji card holder, which I use as a wallet. And that's it. Oh yeah, I'll also be carrying water in case my FF needs water. I'm not allowed to bring outside shoes inside the house. My mother will really scold me. So I'll just paste a pic here showing what I wore. These are a pair of ballerina flats from Bata, and I think it goes well with the outfit. I was actually about to put nails on, but I don't think I have the time for this because I am getting really late. But just to show you guys, this is the pair that I was deciding on. It's very pretty, but I don't have the time. I have recently stopped wearing too many accessories because I found that too many accessories overstimulate me. So today I'm just going to wear my rings and a pair of earrings. My rings are Hindu rings, and I wear them for astrological concerns. And I have decided on this pair of jhumkas. They're really cute. I bought them for like 20 rupees from a nearby store. And lastly, I'll spray some perfume. Never spray your perfume on white clothes, guys. I learned my lesson the hard way. The chemicals in this perfume will stain your white clothes, so always apply them on colored clothes. Okay, I need to leave right now. I'm really late, but thank you so much for watching my video. And if you like my vibe, please like and subscribe to me. I know you did because you watched the video till the end in the era of short attention span. So stop acting tsundere and just show me some love, okay? Okay, I'll see you next time, yeah? Bye!